All right, everyone. Well, we've already seen the beautiful displays put on by 3 of our Taiwan Excellence award-winning brands. First, we were treated to a demonstration of industrial videoscope technology by MidCorp. Next, we were able to see the space-saving solutions provided by Shooter Enterprise. And then we were able to see suction cup technology for use in the industrial workplace from Ferrocarbon and for use in the household through Feka. So I'm standing here now outside of the William Tools booth. William Tools has been in the hardware manufacturing market for the better part of 2 decades. Over time, William Tools has become best known for their high-quality, customized ratchet handles. So, today I'm joined by product specialist Chester Wong. Now, Chester, let's go and meet him together. Hi, how are you? Very good, everyone. Now, here we are with Chester Wong, our product specialist from William Tools. Chester, please tell us more.
Okay, first I would like to give you a briefing about our company. William Tools has been founded back in 1999 by our president, William Jiang, who has experience in hand tool manufacturing for over 30 years. We've been in this hand tool manufacturing area for more than 20 years and this market for more than 20 years. And we are the only company or professional manufacturer who has a TAF certificated torque laboratory and also located in Central Taiwan Science Park. And we are specialized in OEM and ODM hand tool manufacturing. We are mainly known for our customized ratchet handle series or torque wrenches and other related products as well, or accessories. So our main product lines will not only include the customized ratchet handle series, just like what I've mentioned, but also like torque wrenches, torque multipliers, and also some torque screwdrivers and other accessories, etc.
Awesome. Well, I see you have a very nice display here today. Are you going to be able to show us around now?
Yeah, sure.
All right, awesome.
Okay, let's start from this area here. Basically, we have our booth designed this year according to different product types. So, as you can see here, we have some larger torque wrenches, and we have our torque wrench cell in sets, just like you can see, we got a socket like this, or just like a simple one, just like a simple torque wrenches. And here we have our torque multipliers here.
Okay, these are pretty big, heavy-duty guys, hey? Okay.
And move on to here, you'll see first you will see some joint socket, which is an accessory part, and over there will be more. We've got different type of heads that you can change for using.
All right, now Chester, please tell us about the first product you'd like to show today.
Okay, let's start with the T-shape handle, T-shape screwdriver method. This is our string-slipping T-handle torque screwdriver. This screwdriver was first premiered in 2017, and the design is very innovative at that time, so it has won him several international design awards, like for example the Taiwan Golden Pin Design Award, the Taiwan Excellence, that one, and the German Red Dot, of course, and the Japanese Good Design Award as well. And 2019, it has won a German IF Design Award as well.
Wow, okay.
Okay, this screwdriver is made of high tensile alloy steel, and the polymer part is made of industrial grade reinforced polymer materials. It not only meets the ISO 6789-1 2017 standard, but also has passed the endurance test for about 30,000 cycles in our TF certificated laboratory.
Wow, that's a lot of turns. I don't think I have enough jobs for that.
And one of the good things is that it comes with a torque slipping mechanism. The slipping mechanism will slip out when the screwdriver is over torqued in order to protect the screwdriver and the force-bearing part from damaging itself and or shorten its service lifetime.
That's very important for sure. Over tightening can damage everything. That's right.
Yep, I don't think anyone would like that to happen.
Right.
And as you can see, as being a T-shaped handle, one of the main feature and most identical feature of this handle, of this screwdriver, is that it has a patterned T-shaped handle. And above us, and here, as you can see,
I can see that there, just like a big T. That's right.
Yep. And it's internal, we got storage spaces for a maximum in total of 12 hex bits.
Did you say internal storage space in there?
Yep.
Okay, can we see how to get in there? How do you get in this thing? Let me take a look.
Okay, you can see two levers over here.
Just on the top there.
Yep. All you need to do is just pop it
That's
up.
very easy, just 1 and 2, and there you go.
Yep. We designed that way because we want the user not only can have a easier or more economically usage on gripping it because you got larger surface, or the palm can have a large contact area, but also the user can store only the bits they need inside of the handle, so they can for easy carry.
Can I try to open it? Wow. Okay, so we're just simply put them together. 1, 2, do. Hey, all right. How many bits are we looking at in here? We have 6 and 6 together. 12?
12.
Wow. Okay. Awesome. So yeah, you're saying that we don't have to use a vast array of bits. I can just take this particular ones for my job, and I can switch them out in there.
Yep.
Interesting. Yeah.
And being a torque screwdriver, the torque is adjustable here. As you can see, here is a screen over here displaying the current torque value that you have right here, which is very easy to read. And all you need to do to adjust is to push the lever upward over here and detach the handle part.
Okay.
And after you finish adjusting, the only need is to press the lever again and fix the head part again.
And now it's firm and it's going to turn just like we want it.
Yes.
Excellent. With a new increased or reduced torque value.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also you got scales on the neck for fine tuning if you need it.
Right.
Yeah.
So in that way, I'll always have the right tool for the job.
Yeah, sure. Of course.
Excellent. All right. Now, what else do you have here that you can tell us about?
How about some super slim ratchet handles?
The super slim? Okay.
Yep. This is our super slim 90T ratchet handles. We call it the blade type in Chinese. So as you can see, a nice sharp edge looking.
Right. I can see where it got its name from. Look at that, everybody. Do. Very nice. Okay.
Have the idea from, because in the market there's many thin ratchet handles and high gear drive ratchet handles already, but actually it's still difficult to combine all of them together. High gear drive, durable and comfortable while using, and it all in one thin ratchet handle body. So we want to come up with this idea as a new generation ratchet handle. So combining with our past experience, well, in our past decade, and also some innovative design thinking and craftsmanship, forging technology, and our persistence in aesthetic. So we have this thing come true.
Yeah, I'm taking a look at it now. It looks very sleek. I'm not seeing any edges or seams here. What can you tell me about its construction?
Okay, actually, just like what you said, you can see any connecting part or sleeves, because this ratchet handle is the main body of this ratchet handle is one-piece forged.
Oh, it's all one piece, this whole metal part.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. And thanks to the designing team, the design and the processing technology, although you got the one-piece forge, give it a more simplified appearance look, but it still has a more blade edge-like shape or profile, and also a 3D design that you can see right here on the end of a handle part.
Yes.
And the detail part of this handle will be, some of the detail part will be very difficult to have the finish treatment. For example, the skeletonized handle part and the curve angle on the drive head.
Yeah, I like that rounded there. That's very nice. Yeah.
but we still make it very, very flat and smooth. And if you don't have if you don't have any certain capability, processing and design, you can make it come true actually.
Right, wow. So aesthetically, it's very beautiful, very lightweight. Now, what does it say about the strength of the tool? Is there anything about that? Is it?
Actually, it comes with a 90 teeth gear drive. And as you can see, the whole shape, actually, this ratchet handle is about 30% lighter and thinner than a standard one. For example, you can
let me feel those. Yeah, let me see this. So this, ooh, I can feel it right away. Holy, yeah. Switching it up. Okay, very nice. This is not so bad, but this one is definitely a lot lighter.
Yeah. And because of the design, it allows it to be used in more limited spaces. We can go for the demonstration part if you want to see it.
Yeah, let's take a look at action. Okay.
Okay. Here is a demolition stand, and I will demonstrate it like for example. Here is the limited spaces that we want to use. So
you're gonna get this between those two right there.
Yeah.
What?
Because you got a 90 teeth, so actually its working angle or arc leverage will be very, very small. So between these gaps, it can still be operatable.
So because of the large amount of teeth on the gear, even though it's a small space, you're still able to turn a lot within that small space.
Yep. Just like the scales. You can read the scales on here. It's moving because I can firmly have it operated.
That's great. Look at that. Totally. I just can't get over, how small that space is in there, but it actually turns a few degrees with every one, like quite a bit actually. Yeah.
Yep. And you also got a asymmetrical ergonomic design handle. So actually when you're using it on forehand or backhanded, you don't feel any comfort. It goes with zero discomfort.
Right, can I feel that? Let me see that, as you were saying. Yeah, going up in here maybe, holding it here. Even sometimes I like to get a hold of it over here like this. Yeah, just the whole way along, that's great.
Yep.
Cool. Thank you very much, Chester. I really appreciate you showing all of these fabulous tools today here. The ratchets, the tease driver, that's great. Cheers. All right, you guys, that was a great show right there. Now we have to get on to meet our next exhibitors. So everyone, let's go take a look.